Hi everyone, Josh with JDS Science Supply. Today we're going to show you our new Steinel heat guns. So let's take a look at the first heat gun. All of them come in these nice carrying cases. So this is the HL1820S. Still got the three-stage air control. All of our attachments, which we'll talk about in a second, will fit on this gun as well. And over here, already opened and plugged in, we have the HL2020E. This has the built-in thermostat, and it has the three-stage blower on it as well, so real easy to use. Really the main difference between these heat guns is the temperature control, or the built-in thermostat that allows you to maintain temperature just a little bit better when post-heating products. So some of the attachments that we have, if you just give this cowl here a quarter turn, that'll pop off. You can add the poly heat tube. Snaps on. It allows you to protect items from this really hot metal heating element there. We also have this plastic welding attachment. So it's going to go onto the heating element. If you just loosen that bolt right there and tighten it back down on top of there so it doesn't move. Any of those banner applications, if you want to weld them together in that way. This is another really neat tool from Steinel. This is their temperature scanner, and I'll show you how that mounts here. So if you kind of mount it, put it in towards the back first, it'll snap right in there, and it'll take a little abuse. So that allows you, it has a indicator on there, 3 different colors. It's going to have blue for if the temperature isn't quite where you want it to be, green if you match the temperature that you want to be at, and then red if you're too hot. So I'll show you real quick a couple things you need to know about the temperature scanner. If you take your Phillips screwdriver, loosen this bolt on the underside, try not to throw it across the room like I just did. It does come with a battery. The battery is not connected, so when you first get your temperature scan, open that up. It'll come in plastic wrap, pull it apart and connect it, and then right down inside there you're going to see, I'll flip it around here, Fahrenheit and Celsius. You're going to want to flip that to whichever temperature reading you're wanting. So that's just something that you may not see right away or notice, and it may eliminate some frustration for you. The other item that we also sell, as we all know, is as we're grabbing the heat guns and we're letting them down by their cords and everything, sometimes you need that replacement cord because you're going to wear that out just in regular use and abuse. So you can also get a 20-foot replacement cord, and we can get replacement heating elements if you need. So no need to buy a brand new heat gun because we can get parts for you. So thanks so much for watching. Check us out on jdsciencesupply.com or call us at the number below. Thanks.